Hi, I'm Candace Metcalf, and this is my AEP 800 class, mini assignment number 3, and this is my second video, technology, and I will be talking about Evernotes. Evernotes is a web-based application. You can use it just through a website. You can download an app to link the account, and you do not have to have a specific device to use this, and it is free. Alright, so now I will show you a little bit about Evernotes. This is what Evernotes looks like. It has options where it would be good for students if they were wanting to take notes, to keep themselves organized, and they could also be used for teachers if you were going to a meeting and you needed to take notes of information. So it's simple to add a new note. You can just come over here to where it says add new note. You can click add new note, or you can specify which type of note you want to add. So maybe it was a lecture note. If it was a student, they might say this is what class. They could say it was for their math class, and they can go in here and type questions and notes that they might have for the teacher, or you can just go in and make one that is a new blank one, and they could type it in here for their math notes. And then you can just down here you can type any information you have. If the teachers gave you a link, you could add a link. If there was a website that maybe you could get more information, you could add that in there. So it'd be simple to add that in there. Maybe they have a list of things that they need to get done, and so maybe they need to clean their room, pick up something, or maybe they need to call grandma this week. They could have a list of things that they need to get done this week, and then check those off as you do them. Another great feature for this website is it has a weekly planner. So if they had like a lit paper due, they could have all this there that keeps them organized so that they remember what they need to do. And the great thing is, if you have a smartphone, you can download the app on your smartphone, and then you can just have it with you on your phone, and then get on your computer in class and type up your notes. And so it's a great app for that. It would be good for students to help them stay organized, keep all their notes in one place. If they wanted to have one for each different class, they could have a section for each class. So maybe for my family studies class, the students could type in their information here. I may give them, they could put all their information. They can change the font size and the font style to make it more fun. You can change the color of the text, and they would have a lot of fun with this, and I think this would be a fun way for them to keep track of their notes and do it in a different way other than just on paper. Alright, thank you. I hope you enjoy Evernotes.